What's up guys? For today's video, somebody did ask me what I got for Christmas, and I know this is way past Christmas, but at the time I didn't really want to make a video because I didn't really have all my stuff because I live in Florida now and my mom lives out in Michigan, so I knew I was going to get some things from her. So I figured I'd wait until I got everything that I actually got so I could show you guys what I got. But I'm just going to start off this video by saying I do apologize if the quality of the audio is trash. You've seen from my past videos, I'm trying to work the audio with this new microphone, and I feel like the previous videos, the audio may be trash, so I apologize in the last videos and for this one and for any future videos. I'm learning, so please bear with me. But one last thing, yes, I am wearing the hat again because this is, like I said, probably the worst haircut I've ever had in my life. I'm not comfortable showing you guys how awful this is. But let's just get right into this video. Everything I got for Christmas. I don't really know what to start with, but obviously I got some things from my girlfriend, from my mom, and from my little brother. So I'll let you know everything I got. Firstly, from my girlfriend, I do collect skateboards. So she was able to get me this Thrasher skateboard. It's the Kyle Walker one. It just has like the Thrasher logo, but it says Kyle Walker on it. I'm trying to get into the skateboard game, I guess I should have said. I did used to collect skateboards, but I would collect like the ones that I would break. I had like a whole ceiling full of like 20 boards, and then I had like a pile of like another 30 boards that I never got up to hanging. I know you guys can't see it right now, but I got that board next to my Supreme board, so hopefully I can grow that collection. And I'm gonna try to breeze through all this because I think there's like quite a bit of stuff. And next up, from my girlfriend, she was able to give me the Supreme Independent shirt. If you watch my Independent video from that week, I told you I wasn't able to get this. And now I know why I was unable to get this. So she got me this in the olive green colorway. They may have called it something else, but I'm just calling it the olive green colorway. So I'm really excited I got this because that was probably my favorite collab from the season. And I'm trying to like do this in order. Hold on. I completely forgot about this, but she did give me this North Face duffel as well. She knows I love yellow, so she got it for me in the yellow colorway. And I love this thing. We were able to use this because we just got back from Michigan, like literally a few hours ago while I'm filming this. So this came in handy and this is really nice. I would highly recommend the North Face duffel bags if you guys are looking for a good duffel bag. I also got this tripod that I'm filming this video with, so I can't really show you that, but I will leave a link down below in the description if you want to check this out for yourself. And I think that's everything I got from my girlfriend. I may be missing something. That's basically the majority of it. I got like a pair of Ethicas as well, and like Ethica socks. I don't feel like showing you guys those. It's just boxing if I don't care about that. But from my little brother, he got me this nice Champion shirt. It's white. Has the black logo on it with red, just like the standard logo. So that was really nice of him, thank you. And then he also got it for me in blue. And then he also got it for me in gray, but I'm wearing it right now because I had so much stuff. It was really hard for me to get back here, so I had to later up with a bunch of shirts on. Yeah, he got it for me in gray as well. Love the gray one, probably my personal favorite. And I think that's it for my little brother, so thank you very much if he's watching this. And then from my mom, oh no, that was a lie, because he also got me a gift card, Marshall's I think. So I went in there because there was one by my old house where I used to live, and that's probably like my favorite Marshall's. I don't really go to Marshall's too often, but that was probably my favorite one while I could go. So I was able to get these Stan Smiths, and I did not know that Marshall's had Stan Smith. But I was able to get this nice yellow pair. I did throw the box away because I couldn't fit the box, and then the box was also like ripped to shreds, so I wasn't gonna bring it anyways. I really like it. I don't know the exact model because it might not be a regular Stan Smith. It might be a Stan Smith something. But yeah, these are sick, and they were on clearance too for like $22, and he got me like a $25 gift card, so these are basically free on my part. So shout out to him, thanks again. And then my mom hooked it up. I got this Xbox controller. I've been really wanting a new one. It's this Volcano Shadow. I'm not like a huge gamer at all. I just rarely ever play. I mostly just go in the Xbox parties to talk with my friends. Shout out to Joe back in Michigan. I always talk to him on Xbox. So just got a new controller. Now, and then to add to my collection of like 2 games, because I think I only have 2 games, I got my 3rd game, and she got me the Lego Marvel Superheroes 2. Roast me all you want. Don't know if anyone plays these, but I think the Lego games are straight fire. Some of the only games I ever liked playing besides Skate 3. I love Skate 3. But yeah, I really like this game. I just finished the South Park game and I loved that one. So hopefully I can start this sometime soon if I ever get the time. And then I think that's all like the physical items I got from my mom. She got me like some gift cards and like stuff like that. So shout out to her. I was gonna say something else that I completely forgot, but yeah, shout out to her. Shout out to all the moms out there. Shout out to my mom, love you mom, thanks again for that. But then my birthday is like a few days after Christmas on January 9th. So she did hook it up for my birthday as well. While I was up there, She got me this nice North Face jacket. I've been really wanting one because the one I got kind of has that Velcro here. It's just a regular rain jacket. I hate that Velcro. I did not want that one anymore. So I sold that one and just told myself I'm gonna try to get one. We went to both the North Faces here in Orlando, but they were just wiped because it was right after Christmas. There was like 5 things in that whole store, it looked like. So I couldn't get anything there. So I had my heart set on getting one. We went to Michigan. So shout out to my mom again for getting me this North Face jacket. I don't know the correct name. I already threw the tag away, but whatever model this is, I love it. Just has that full zip. It's not really like too warm, but obviously that's not an issue for me living in Florida, and I don't really care about the warm clothes. I just wanted to get a nice one for style. I can just throw it on if it's raining, and this will be perfect. So shout out to her again. I think that's everything. I really hope I'm not missing everything. I know I told you I was waiting to show you this video because I knew I was gonna get something from my mom and just wanted to like put it all into one. And I also wasn't going to make the video until that person commented, so shout out to you. And yeah, that's it. One last thing, I guess you could say I bought it for myself. Don't know if there's any like camera people out there, but I did buy this for myself for like Christmas and my birthday, I guess, since they're right next to each other. But it's just a Canon travel kit to go with my new camera. And it's just a nice portrait lens and then this nice wide angle lens. I've been wanting these for a while, so I just figured I'd end up getting them. So yeah, I know this video was a little bit different. It wasn't like a set thing that I got. It's just a bunch of random things. I just want to show you guys what I got for Christmas from 2017. But if you did enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll check you in the next video. Thanks again for watching, and go check out all my other videos, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.